So this is going to be my review on the YONZEE car folding table board. This is going into my Tesla Model Y. It can also fit the Model 3. Let's get her open and see what she looks like. Looks like it comes in its own little case. This is a simple material, Velcro. It's going to be a carrying case. Slide this out. And all right, so it's a carbon fiber looking material, not too heavy, a couple pounds. On the back, we've got our legs. Back, we got the legs that are going to pop out like this. So that'll lock in like that. If we want to put something on top here as a tray. Okay. Looks like you'll be able to play it just like that. We're going to put it in the car in a minute. It's got a little pencil holder there, a couple holders here. These cutouts are for the arms because you'll be able to use this either on the driver's side or the passenger side. Let's see what this does. Oh, okay. So if you just needed to do that, if you wanted a full-on table, you could do that as well. Seems pretty stable. I mean, I wouldn't put anything crazy heavy on it, but for what I'm going to use it for, I think it'll work. So as you can see here, this part just lays right on top of the armrest. Here, it slides right in there to lock the place in. And it's pretty sturdy. So if somebody's sitting here, they can use it like that. Now you see, for me, I'm going to use it for my laptop. So I'll be able to use that there like that. Right? I'll have my area here on the arm or here for my mouse. And I'll be able to drive or work as if I'm in an office out of the office. All right, so if you're going to use it on the driver's seat, obviously you're going to have to move the seat all the way back. You're going to have to take the steering wheel and move it all the way up. But the cutout slides right into the door handle, so that helps secure it. Again, you're on your armrest here, and you have your kickstand underneath that'll fold out and also provide you with plenty of stability for you. You can put your drinks there, whatnot, and you got plenty of room for the laptop. As you can see, you can work, drink, whatever you need to do. You can also use it in the back of the car as a riser, small table. You got room underneath here, right? But you can put a lightweight computer, television, you know, something lightweight. Maybe you're cooking out and you need a shelf you can use for food. This will definitely do the trick. And then when you're done, it conveniently slides right back in the case, and guess what? This fits perfectly underneath the storage area here. Like so. Tuck it away, good to go.